I'll just share uh, a whiteboard. I'll show you the difference between can and could. Now you should know what is can. Can is usually used for permission also, and it is used for usually for present. Okay, I can do this. It's used sometimes for showing your ability. I can do this. I can do that. Like, let me give you examples for permission. Let's say, can I write neatly? Okay, or can I come to school? Although the proper word for permission is in fact may instead of can, because can basically shows ability. Like, I can do this. I can ride a bike. So can basically it it tells us, or by using this word can, the modal verb can, you can express and tell others regarding what you can do, what abilities you have. And usually it is used for present tense. Like, I would say, now I can, now I can play football. Like, you could not play earlier, but now you're saying that now I can play football. Now you have learned how to play football. So it's talking about present tense. Okay, this is all about can. And let's learn something about could. How do we use could? Could is basically, could talks about past tense or about possibilities. Possibilities. Okay. It shows politeness. Okay. My goodness, is something wrong? Okay. So now I'll give you examples so that you can understand the difference between can and could. Uh, for the first one, let's talk about this past tense. If you want example of past tense in this segment here, as compared to can, would say I could walk, but now I can run. Or you can say I could not write neatly, but Now I can write. So in these kind of sentences, could basically as compared to can shows and talks about past tense. I hope you get some idea of in the examples and the activity it would be uh, clear. Okay. Whereas possibilities, you can say I could have gone to the market. जा सकता था. I could have gone to the market, but I did not go. You're expressing a possibility it could have happened, but I didn't do it. Similarly, it's used for like permissions as well, but it's a polite way of permissions. Like you would say, could you please give me that book? Now, it's a permission, but it's a polite way of asking for something, asking for permission. So this is how you use the modal verbs can and could in your sentences. Anybody wants to ask something, any question, you can raise your hand and ask me so that if it is clear, we'll start the activity. If the difference between can and could is clear, we'll start the activity. Is it clear? All right. So now just have a look at this. Okay. I'll share the screen with you. Now, this is the activity that we need to do. Okay. And can everybody see this activity? Exercise 1 on page number 35. Can everybody see this? All of you? Okay. Would you like to read the sentences? You have to fill in the sentences with can and could. It can be in the positive form or in the negative form, depending on the sentence. You have to fill in with can and could. Said, okay. Yes, beta, read the very first one.
सर वो आंसर भी साथ साथ बताते चलूं या फिर अभी सिर्फ रीड करूं?
Read the sentence. Let's see. Then I'll ask if somebody else can give me the answers. I'll ask you as well.
When I was a child, but I dash swim now.
Okay. चलो पहले वाले का बताओ आंसर. What do you think is the correct answer?
I couldn't swim when I was a child.
Very good. Very good. I couldn't
Swim now.
swim. I couldn't swim. Okay. So I'll write over here. I couldn't swim when I was a child, but I can swim now. All right. Two other students have raised their hands. Who else would like to read? That's good. That's good. Yes, Taha, your turn. You can read.
सर दूसरा दूसरा रीड करूं?
Yes, yes, please.
My brother dash run fast when he was 5 years old, but he dash run fast now.
All right, that's
सर
brother.
इसमें
Okay,
डैश
my
में आएगा my brother
brother,
couldn't
brother.
run fast when he was 5 years old, but he can run fast now.
Yes, yes, your answer is correct. My brother couldn't run fast when he was 5 years old. देखो past tense की बात हो रही है ना. So, but he can run fast now. Is it clear now? Past tense भी है और पहले नहीं कर सकता था. My brother couldn't run fast when he was 5 years old, but he can run fast now. That's very easy. That is showing you how to use can and could with positive and negative forms. Okay, next Ahmed Khizar. Okay, Ahmed, yes, read.
They come early, but they dash find a bus early.
Earlier, they dash come early, but they dash find the bus earlier. Now, what do you think would be the answer here?
Sir, they could not come early, but they can find. Sir, next, sir, they can come early, but they could not find a bus early.
They, ये देखो early यानी ये past tense की बात हो रही है. तो क्या लिखूं यहाँ, can या could?
सर कैन हो सकता है मेरे.
They can, they could. What is correct? They can or they could? Think. They can. They could. They could. They could come early. आ सकते थे. मैंने आपको कहा ना could possibilities के लिए भी use होता है. Past tense है लेकिन possible. They could come early. आ सकते थे. But क्या हुआ? क्यों नहीं आए?
सर वो
ये
बस नहीं मिल रही.
जी, बस नहीं मिल रही थी लेकिन यहाँ क्या आएगा? बस नहीं मिल रही थी. तो couldn't. Okay. They could come early, but they couldn't find a bus earlier. जल्दी आ सकते थे लेकिन बस नहीं मिल रही थी, क्या करें. ठीक है. अच्छा, चलो एक और भी पढ़ लो. सही है. Read better. Read this one. Nowadays, Ali Mansoor. Okay, Ali Mansoor.
Nowadays, Sana could speak English fluently, but she can speak so well
सोचो.
a year ago.
Your think of the answers again. Think of the answers again. सोचो. देखो, past tense. What are you going to use for past tense, and what are you going to use here for present tense?
Sir,
Past tense
Sana
कौन
could
से
speak.
सेंटेंस के हिस्से में आ रहा है? Nowadays, अभी अभी की बात हो रही है. Nowadays क्या है? अब क्या है? सना.
Nowadays,
तो सना can speak English or could speak English?
Sana
अब सना
can
English.
speak.
Yes, very good. Can, because it's talking about present tense. Nowadays, Sana can speak English fluently. अब वो English में fluently बात कर सकती है. But she dash
Could
speaks so well a year ago. लेकिन एक साल पहले क्या था?
couldn't speak.
Couldn't. Very good. Couldn't speak. वो एक साल पहले इंग्लिश में इस तरह बात नहीं कर सकती थी. Nowadays, Sana can speak English fluently, but she couldn't speak so well a year ago. Very good. Okay, who else has raised his hand? Ali Mansoor and Taha here. Okay, Taha. Yes, Taha, read the next one. Shahir, okay. Yes, dear. Shahir, beta, you can read. You've raised your hand, yes.
Samir couldn't speak several languages when he was young, but now he can speak only English fluently.
Okay, Samir couldn't. Samir couldn't speak several languages when he was young. मैं इतनी languages नहीं बोल सकता था, but now he can speak only English fluently. एक मिनट थोड़ा सा मुझे इस पे समीर couldn't आएगा, सोचें जरा शहीद।
सर यहाँ पे कैन आएगा, नाउ ही कैन स्पीक ओनली इंग्लिश।
देखो इसका तो मुझे डाउट नहीं है, ठीक है, ये आप कह रहे हैं कि नाउ ही कैन, ओके करेक्ट। इस पे मुझे डाउट हो रहा है, समीर couldn't speak several languages when he was young. couldn't आएगा, यहाँ क्या आएगा, ये जो है ना, this I feel is right or not, ये मुझे जरा कोई बताए, ये couldn't सही है यहाँ पर? जी मिस्टर समीर, शहीर where are you? Yes शहीर। I
सर तो सर समीर could आएगा।
yes समीर could आएगा, इसकी वजह क्या है, इसका मतलब अब देखो क्या बना।
जी सर समझिए।
समीर बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में बात कर सकता था जब वो यंग था, ठीक है, लेकिन अब वो सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही फ्लुएंटली बात कर सकता है। couldn't आएगा अगर, तो फिर मीनिंग सही नहीं बन रहा ना। समीर बहुत सारी
जी
लैंग्वेजेस
सर।
में बात नहीं कर सकता था जब वो यंग था, लेकिन अब वो सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं। नहीं, ये मीनिंग कुछ अजीब सा बन रहा है ना। मैंने कहने का
जी जी
मकसद है कि ये बहुत सारी लैंग्वेज में बात कर सकता था, लेकिन अब शायद भूल गया है, अब सिर्फ वो इंग्लिश में ही बात कर सकता है। इससे देखो एक और बात पता चलती है, व्हेन यू डू नॉट स्पीक इन अ पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू फॉरगेट दैट लैंग्वेज। ऐसा होता है अगर आप किसी लैंग्वेज में बिल्कुल बात करना छोड़ देना, आप देखिए आप 1-2 साल तक उर्दू ना बोलें, आपको फिर उर्दू बोलने में प्रॉब्लम होगी। तो कोई भी लैंग्वेज इस तरह है, एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग अ लैंग्वेज यू स्टार्ट बिकमिंग फ्लुएंट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज। सही है, तो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, talk in English, and inshallah gradually you will be fluent in English language. Anyway, uh, who has raised his hand now? Abdullah Malik. Okay, ये न्यू है, ये इन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा। Abdullah बेटा read, yes. Next sentence.
Little Shazan couldn't crawl, but he still can walk.
Little Shazin couldn't crawl. This is again a very good one. ये बड़ा चैलेंजिंग है। could आएगा, can आएगा, couldn't आएगा, cannot आएगा। चलो मैंने थोड़ा सा आपको एक क्लू दे दिया है। What are you going to write over here? Little Shazin can, little Shazin can't, little Shazin couldn't. What is the correct answer?
Little Shazan can't.
Very good. Little Shazin. Let's see. Little Shazin can't or cannot, एक ही बात है, चलो। Little Shazin can't crawl. Can't crawl. देख लें, फिर आगे क्या आएगा?
But he still can walk.
But he still can walk. अच्छा, अब इसका मीनिंग क्या बना?
Shazan बचपन में नहीं sir. Little Shazan can crawl, but he is still
चलो बारी बारी करते हैं। इधर आपने क्या कहा, क्या आएगा?
सर मेरे ख्याल से can आएगा। Little Shazan can.
लिटिल शाज़ेन कैन लिख देते हैं। ओके, लिटिल शाज़ेन कैन क्रॉल बट ही स्टिल कैन वॉक। वो क्रॉल कर सकते हैं और वो चल भी सकते हैं। लिटिल शाज़ेन, वो क्रॉलिंग, आपको पता है ना बच्चे क्रॉलिंग करते हैं।
जी
लिटिल शाज़ेन कैन क्रॉल, वो क्रॉल कर सकते हैं और अब तक वो चल सकते हैं, कैन क्रॉल कैन वॉक। आप सही आंसर देने लगे थे। वो क्रॉल कर सकते हैं लेकिन अब तक वो चल
Cold.
कैन नॉट। लिटिल शाज़ेन कैन क्रॉल, वो क्रॉल कर सकते हैं बट ही स्टिल कांट वॉक, लेकिन अभी भी वो चल नहीं सकते। यानी वो बहुत छोटे हैं, अभी भी वो क्रॉलिंग करते हैं बट ही स्टिल कांट वॉक। ओके, ये थोड़ा सा था टेक्निकली। एनीवे, who will do the next one? Okay, again your turn, Said. Yes.
Sarah dash embroider. Sarah dash embroider and stitch clothes, but her sister dash. Sarah can embroider and stitch clothes, but her sister cannot.
Very good, very good. Cannot और can't एक ही बात है, ठीक है? It's a contraction.
Yeah, bhai.
तो सारा कैन एम्ब्रॉयडर एंड स्टिच क्लोथ्स, वो एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर सकती है, क्लोथ्स में स्टिच कर सकती है, बट हर सिस्टर कैन नॉट, हर सिस्टर कांट डू इट। गुड। नाउ हु इज गोइंग टू डू द लास्ट वन? I just saw somebody else raising his hand now. This was Bilal. Yes, okay, Bilal.
Sir, इसका मतलब हो सकता है शायद कि सारा
Yes, Bilal.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Better read this last sentence.
We dash play after completing our homework, but we dash play before that. The first वाले में can होगा,
We can play after completing our homework, but we,
can't before that.
yes, we can't or we cannot play before that. हम होमवर्क कंप्लीट करने के बाद खेलेंगे, उससे पहले नहीं खेलेंगे। जैसे आपकी तरह कोई अच्छे बच्चे हैं, आप लोग भी ऐसे ही हैं ना? When you complete your homework, when you do all the work, when you do and finish all the house chores, when you help your parents, afterwards you play. ऐसे ही करते हैं ना सब? कौन कौन ऐसे करते हैं? होमवर्क के बाद खेलते हैं, कौन ऐसे करते हैं? Okay, very good. So this was your activity.